Saturday afternoon, 3:44. I guess we missed the Supercross. It started at 3, but big week coming up. The wrap's going on next week. If you follow the channel, you know I smashed my leg this week, so I've been hopping around. Unfortunately, wasn't able to take any time off and elevate it nice, except for at night. But so we've been here. Here we are Saturday, 3:44 p.m. and we just did the final prep. We removed 3 of the lights up top, the bumpers on the back. We're driving it over to the warehouse where we're going to do the wrap on it, and we're starting Monday morning. But I just wanted to document the condition of the body on this before we wrap it. It is absolutely freaking spotless. This is the original paint on the rig, but it's been stored indoors since it was new. So there's not a single ding anywhere on this, nowhere. It's absolutely freaking spotless. So this will be the last time we see the paint because the wrap's going on it. This week we did quite a bit. Carlos polished all the hinges like chrome. We painted the door jamb piece right here. Painted the door handles. Carlos polished all of the hinges. All the aluminum on the exterior got another coat of polish. We took the toppers off because we're replacing them with black toppers. All the aluminum was polished. All the stainless steel was polished. All this aluminum under here for probably the 3rd time in the 2 years we've had it. 2,315 hours is what we got into it since January of this year, since January 15th. We had 7 guys work on it for 7 weeks, plus overtime, 2,315 hours. And it's going in for the wrap. Ben from Aggressive Graphics is doing the wrap. Christy, Steiger Designs, my honey, she did the design work, which we worked on for countless hours. The 2,315 hours is just what we did since January. We've been working on this thing for 2 years. This hinge right here got polished like chrome. All the stainless was polished. Every square inch of it. All the aluminum was polished. These door handles got repainted by Woody. This hinge up top here was polished by Carlos. The whole team, me, Ronnie, and Dean are the last men standing. Everybody bailed earlier. It is Saturday, so really grateful that the guys, these guys stayed here to finish this, because I am a hurting freaking unit, man. I took 2 ibuprofen and 2 aspirin, hoping the pain will subside, and gonna go bring this over to the storage facility, and Monday morning Ben's gonna start the wrap. All the handles were polished. New weather stripping was applied around the door in the back here. These are brand new stainless pieces to hold the stainless doors open. The vent for the AC up at the top there, that looks like a window, that was white. We painted that black this week. Woody painted that and painted the antenna black also, because this whole 3/4 of it's going to be black and the rest is going to be gas red. So yeah, just a ridiculous amount of work. The whole undercarriage on this, that's a whole other story. 6 weeks on the undercarriage with 2 guys. 6 weeks on to do the roof for 3 guys, and quite a bit on the interior too was done. It's pretty much completely dialed in here. Not pretty much, it is. So I swiftered the floor today. We got all the Boxo tools are installed. All the tool cabinets are done. All the stainless, every square inch of aluminum in here has been removed and polished. 3 coats of poly on the floor, and we just detailed it for the final time today. We actually repainted the bottom of that right there. Just a ridiculous amount of time and effort. Even the freaking, look at the tie downs. Who's got tie downs like this, man? There's a lot of thought put into just the tie downs. We even cut all the tags off of them because the white tags, I didn't think they looked good, but all LED lights, gas. I got a brand new carpet coming here. It's a birthday present for Junior, so you'll see that when it gets in here. Got the new stainless ceiling with the Manship stainless with custom stainless trim. That's 100% stainless. The escape hatch to the roof there is 100% stainless. All the hinges, everything on it. That was pricey, but it was done right. So every square inch of this unit has been plated, polished, painted, sanded, or restored some way or the other, or modified. All these cabinets are all brand new. Everything's new in here. Ceiling, walls, and floors. Everything's refinished. Those are the Boxo tool set that's going in the NASCAR style stacker. Those are the powder coated stair set. So yeah, it's coming along. Wrap's going on next week, so stay tuned, guys. Ronnie's taking off. I asked him, I said, there's no traffic on the extra mile. And he goes, nope, never. It's just, we had I don't know, Carlos was here morning, and John Lee and Woody, but everybody bailed around noon. I can't blame them. It was Saturday, but we had to keep pushing. You know, busted up leg or not, I got a freaking knob on my leg, swollen. Looks like it's infected, but got to get this damn thing done. So we're here.